Let's welcome sa ato ang Super Mega Hope. 16 years ago, I was drowning in 2 million debt. And my car was foreclosed. Next slide, please. My car was foreclosed. O ang akong pamilya, nagpuyo sa squatters area, dinha sa Mabolo. But, og karon, tungod ng lifestyles, I am now living my dreams. Na I once thought, imposible kaayo makapot. Pero grabe kayo ni ang lifestyles business opportunity.